Struggling with Apple CarPlay issues in your Acura Integra? Let's get your connection stable in under 3 minutes. Statistically, most connectivity drops are caused by simple software handshakes or worn cables, not actual vehicle hardware failure. Before you head to the dealership, we need to systematically isolate the problem. Start by swapping your cable, forgetting the device in your settings, and verifying that Siri is fully enabled. Check for pending iOS updates and ensure that USB access is permitted while the phone is locked. If symptoms persist, perform a soft reboot of the infotainment system to clear any lingering cache files. If a different phone also fails to connect, you likely have a physical port issue that requires professional service. As you can see, the data points to cables as the overwhelming cause of connectivity headaches. For advanced troubleshooting, inspect the physical port for debris and verify your fuse box connections. Keep a small toolkit handy with compressed air and certified cables to handle these issues on the fly. Remember, persistence is key, as most connectivity issues are resolved by simply resetting the pairing process. If you've tried these steps and still have no luck, it is time to visit your local Acura service center.